Mastering the skies, the magic of remote control drones. Hello and welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of remote control drones. Today, we're diving into what makes these flying marvels not just a tool for professionals but also a source of joy and learning for enthusiasts all over the globe. If you've ever wondered how these devices work and why they're so popular, you're in the right place. Before we get into the drones themselves, let's break down the term remote control. A remote control is a device that allows you to operate another device wirelessly, from a distance. It sends signals to the main device, instructing it to perform various actions like turning on, moving, or changing settings. This technology is used in many gadgets around us, from TVs to cars. Moving on to drone. In the simplest terms, a drone is an unmanned aircraft. Originally used for military purposes, drones have found their way into civilian life, offering endless possibilities for work and play. They can fly at various altitudes and distances, depending on their design and purpose. From photography and filmmaking to agriculture and search and rescue operations, drones are reshaping how we approach tasks and hobbies. When we combine the two, remote control drone refers to an unmanned aircraft that is controlled wirelessly by a remote device. This setup gives the operator the freedom to pilot the drone from the ground, capturing breathtaking views from the sky or performing specific tasks without being on board. Remote control drones have soared in popularity for several reasons. Versatility. They can be used for a wide range of activities, from recreational flying to professional aerial photography. Accessibility. Drones have become more affordable and user-friendly, making them accessible to a wider audience. Innovation. Continuous advancements in drone technology offer improved performance, better camera quality, and longer flight times. We hope this journey into the world of remote control drones has been enlightening. These flying devices are more than just toys. They're tools that open up new perspectives, literally and figuratively. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial photos, racing through the skies, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, remote control drones offer a unique blend of technology, creativity, and adventure. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you soar to new heights with your drone adventures.